students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your new maths teacher. So I am introducing the chapter number 2 of class 8, that is linear equation in one variable. So let's see, what do you mean by variable? What do you mean by variable? Here is A, B, C up to X, Y, Z. Okay. What you call this? These are 26 letters total in English language. A to Z, there are 26 letters, okay, in English language. But what we call in mathematics, when we use this thing in mathematics, okay, when we use this thing in mathematics, we call it variable. Okay, variable means change. What you call variable means? Variable means change. Okay, so when you get x equal to 2, maybe x equal to 3. So this is the equations like this. Okay, so these are variables, variables are vary. So this is the, can call this variable. Okay. Okay, now what do you mean by linear? Linear you can call as 1. Okay, we have to take powers like x power 1. You can write this linear variable, x ka power 2. What you call x power 1 is linear variable, x power 2 when power becomes 2, that is quadratic variable. Okay, when it comes to x power 3, what you can call, this is 3, so cubic variable. So like this, I am introducing the linear. Okay, so linear is this one. We will solve with power 1. Okay, the whole chapter is based on the linear variable. Okay, now the next point I will come to here, variable plus expression is equal to linear equations. Okay, so expression, what we call expression, like 3x, 5x, these are in one variable. Okay, 6x, like this. Variable is like constant also, like 7, 5, 6, 4. So if you add this both, like 3x plus 4, so this is your linear equation. What you call this? Linear equation. Okay, so here 3x means 3 multiplied by x. Okay, then plus 4. Okay, and here 3, what you call 3, whose, that is before x, which number is before x? You can call it coefficient of x. What you can call? Coefficient of x. Okay, these terms are very important. What I am telling you, it is variable, expression, these are very important terms. Variable, expression, linear equations, coefficient of x, linear equation, what these are all terms used in this chapter. Okay. So you can write like this, 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So this is totally based on motive of this equation. Motive, what is the motive of this equation? We have to solve for x, means we know we have to solve for x. We have to find the value of x. This is the total motive for this chapter. This is so simple. Okay. Now students, let's see the next point. What is the next point here? We have to solve equation in one variable. Means like this, you will get 2x minus 3 equal to 7. We have the two methods. I will show you how you have to solve. Like here is minus 3. So for cancelling minus 3, I am adding here plus 3 in the both sides. To the both sides I will add 3. Okay. So what I will get? Here 0 and here 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. So x equal to 10 by 2. Here it is multiplication. So what will be here? You have to divide here. Okay. So what I will get? X equal to 5. 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. Okay. This is the one method. There is another method. Second method. Second method you can solve like 2x minus 3 equal to 7. So if this is the LHS and here it is RHS. Okay. This is LHS and here RHS. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay. If here it is minus sign, if you go to the right hand side with minus sign, so what you will? So 2x equal to, here the sign will be changed, that is 7 plus 3. Here it is minus. So after, when it is transposed to right hand side, it will change to plus sign. Okay. So 2x equal to 10, 7 plus 3 is 10. Now it is multiply with x. So after transpose, what it will be? It will divide. Okay. This is x equal to 5. Now the next point in this topic is the transpose method. That is the second method I had told before. Okay. So if in the left hand side you have positive sign, what will be changed? It will change to minus sign. If it is minus sign, after transpose, okay, that is okay, that will come to the, that will change to the positive sign. If you have multiplication, so here comes to divide, and if it is division, we will get multiplication. So this is the important for transposing method. Okay. Okay students, now let's see some more examples. If you have 3z is equal to 8. Okay. So we have to solve for z. It is multiply. Here is multiplication. So if you transpose here, so it will, what it will be? It will be divide. 8 by 3. So this is will be answer for z. Okay. Now let's some more example for this. If you have 9y plus 2 is equal to 7, like this. Okay. So here you have to, this is the coefficient of y, that is 9. So we have to take this constant, means this variable, to one side, and this will be in one side. So here it is plus sign, so here what will it come? Will change to minus. Okay, so 9y, 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so y, it is multiplication, so after equal to it will be divide, that is y is equal to 5 by 7. So like this you can solve equation in one variable. Okay, now the next point is solving equation variable on both sides. So variable will be on both sides, so how we solve it? I am taking some example here. 2x plus 3 equal to x plus 7. So what we have to do? We have to transpose this x to here. Okay, so this were the same, 2x minus x, this is plus, so we are getting here minus sign. Okay, and this variable to this side is 7 minus 3. Okay, this is plus sign, so I am getting here minus. Okay, so 2x minus x means 2 minus 1 is 1, that is x. Sorry, 7 minus 3 is 4. So I am getting x equal to 4. You can verify this. You can check this answer is right or wrong. Okay, for LHS is this one, that is 2x plus 3. So x I am getting 4. So I have to put the value 4 here. That is 2 into 4 plus 3. That is 8 plus 3. That is 11. Now RHS is x plus 7. I am getting 4 plus 7 is 11. So LHS equal to RHS. So this is verified. So you can check the answer it is right or wrong by verifying, by putting the value in the given equation. Okay. Now students, let's see the forming equation. Next point is forming equation. How you will form by this word problem. Okay, that is the exercise 2.2. It is totally based on, the word problem. Okay, like this, what is the equation? Sum of two numbers is 74. One is 10 more than the other. So what we have to take? Let one number be x. Okay, I am taking one number be x, and the second one is 10 more than. More than means addition, that is plus, more than the other. So other number is 10 plus x. Okay, so sum of two numbers is 74. So we have to add this one according to question. X plus 10 plus x equal to 74. So we have to add this two number, that is variable. Variable will be here and this x terms will be in one side. That is x plus x will be 2x plus 10 equal to 74. Right? So I am getting here 2x. You have to transpose this 10 to this side, that is in the right hand side. So here it is plus sign. So what you will get here? It will be minus sign. That is 74 minus 10. That is 64. Here 2 is multiplied with x. So I am getting here after equal to what will be here? 64 by 2, that is division. Here it is multiplication. So after equal to will be in the right hand side. I am getting division. That is 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So I am getting here x equal to 32 and other number, that is 10 plus x is 10 plus 32. That is 42. So I am getting these two numbers, that is 32 and 42. You can add and you can, if you add 32 plus 42, I will get 74. Okay. Okay students, in this question only, in place of more than, if I write less than, so what will be here? 1 is x and 1 is 10 minus x. Sorry, it will not possible. If it is 10 times the other, so it will be x plus 10x. Okay, here times means multiplication, multiply. Okay, so you can solve for this also. If in the question it is given 4 times, so it will be 4x. If it is 3 times, means 3x. Like this you get the question in this chapter. Okay. Now students, come to the next point, that is the last but not the least topic, that is the cross multiplication. So here is some example. Here is some example, that is x plus 1 upon 2x plus 3 is equal to 3 by 8. So cross multiplication means, let's cross this. Okay, means you have to multiply this numerator with this denominator and this denominator with this numerator. So you have to write 8 multiply by, if you write the bracket means multiplication, is equal to 3 into 2x plus 3. So let's solve. 8 into x will be 8x plus, okay, plus sign will be here, then 8 into 1 will be 8. Okay, here you can write 3 2s are 6 and x will be here, plus 3 3s are 9. Okay, so like this you have to write. Now you have to okay, then what you have to do, that x terms will be in one side and the variable will be in one side. So here is plus sign, so I am getting here minus after transposing, and here it is plus sign, so here after transposing I am getting minus sign. Okay, so 8x minus 6x means 2x, 8 minus 6 is 2 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So I am getting x equal to 1 by 2. So this is the value of x equal to 1 by 2. You can put up 1 by 2 here, and for verifying you can get the answer like this. Okay. Now I will take some more example for the cross multiplication. Like I have some example here, 4x plus 8 divided by 5x plus 8 equal to 5 by 6. So firstly what you have to do, just cross it. Okay, so this denominator will go to here, okay, and this denominator will go in this side. Okay, so simple here. 6 into 4x plus 8 is equal to 5 into 5x plus 8, right? Now you have to multiply with both. 6 4s are 24x, 6 8s are 48, 5 5s are 25x, here 25x, 8 5s are 40, right? So I have to take x terms in one side and the variable in one side. So I am getting here 25x minus 24x, okay, equal to 48 minus 40. I am getting here 25 minus 24 is x and 48 minus 40 is 8. So I am getting x equal to 8. So this chapter is totally based on solving for x with various like forming methods are there, cross multiplication, solving in 2 variables, solving in 1 variable. Okay, so we will come in the next video. Okay students, in the next video I will come with exercise 2.1. okay, that is the linear equation in 1 variable. Okay, so please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Okay, thank you.